Hi ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to our channel. So recently there is a lot of client they inquiry about our E57 and E67. What's the differences between these two motorcycles? Okay, this video will tell you some different configurations between these two motorcycles. Okay. These two motorcycles, we both use two pieces of the battery inside. So range came up to 200 kilometers. The tire of E67 is bigger and stronger than E57. The front shock absorbers are different. E67 the diameter is 32 mm, while E57 is 29 mm. Third, the tail lights are different. E67 tail lights are bigger, E57 are smaller. 4. The controller installation position is different. E67 is installed outside, so his dispersion effect is better. And we also upgrade E67 turn signal light. The front windshield of E67 is higher than E57. In the E60 version, we have thickened the upper and the lower connecting planes, making the strength even stronger. E67 we are using VA screen, while E57 we are using LCD screen. And we also upgrade the entire front of E67, make it stronger. Okay, if you are interested in these two motorcycles and want to get more detailed information, please feel free to contact us. Thank you. Bye bye.